Welcome back, my friends. Today, let me introduce you to the award-winning 1821 Man-Made Wash, the all-in-one shampoo, condition, and body wash. Some of the ingredients that we use to make it so special, why you will enjoy this product, and what can you expect next from 1821 Wash. And don't forget to stay to the end, because you know if you watch my channel that at the end I'll be sharing with you 2 new bonus tips. My name is Angel Del Solar, and on this channel I like to share with you, my friends from the beauty industry, some inspirational, insightful, and practical tools that will help you out to achieve your dreams within the beauty industry. And John, I know you've been watching the videos, so hit that subscribe button and become part of the community. Oh boy, once upon a time it was a black bottle with silver letters saying, "This is for men," and it smelled like peppermint and tea tree oil. And then to create excitement and pride of ownership, we decided to use a whiskey-looking bottle for the 1821 brand. A distinctive manly look that didn't need to say is for men. An aroma profile that departed from the traditional peppermint experience, using sweet tobacco. One product does it all. On the shower, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That's all you need. And yes, it is possible to achieve to do a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in one. We made this for the professional channel, and the fact is with thousands of clients, then they have great reviews on this product. Great performance always comes with fantastic ingredients, and 1821 Man-Made Wash is a great example of that. Weightless moisture for hair and skin, hydrating feeling with no grease, and restore strength for hair and skin, and also works on all hair types. At 1821, we like to use some color coding to differentiate between the aroma profiles. If you look at your 1821 bottles, you'll see the red color. If you see red color, you know you're getting sweet tobacco experience. If you see green, that means that you're getting a spiced vanilla. And coming up, if you see a blue label, then you have absolute mahogany. And if you see the orange label, you'll have noble oud. 1821 is inspired by the 1920s Prohibition era in the United States. That's the period of time when it was prohibited the use of alcohol in the United States. The 18th Amendment to the American Constitution started at the Prohibition, and the 21st ended. Here is a preview of the 1821 short, The Troubled Boys, where we introduce you to the roots of 1821 and the Prohibition era. Ryan, show us what you got. I hope you really enjoyed that video. Have a great time filming that in Missouri on the Route 66 with my friend Ryan from Rock Barber. If you like this video, at the end of the video, I'll be adding a link so you can see the whole film of the Troubled Boys. And now, for all of you that are still here with me, I got my 2 bonus tips. Bonus number 1 is, so today I finished with my bottle of shampoo and my shower. So, well, let me 1 second, this still has some water. Okay, well, after you're done with your bottle, what you want to do with this bottle? Well, you got 2 things that you can do with this bottle. And the first one is you can actually use water on it. And if you work on a barbershop or in a salon, you fill it up with water, and now you have an awesome spray bar water. then it looks way cooler than your regular bottle. Now for tip number 2, I'm going to use my bottle and go outside and do something on my car. Give me a second. All right, so yes, that is my pace car from Indianapolis 500 210 Camaro. It's a really amazing car. So we just finished with this bottle, as I shared before with you, and I'm going to use that versus throwing in the garbage or recycling it. I'm going to actually be able to reuse it. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to fill it up with my favorite product to shine my tires. Actually, this product will shine the tires and everything else that you have. Let me just put a little bit of it so you guys can see. There we go. And then I'm just going to take it in. And obviously, in case, because you guys are going to be all asking me about it, this is the product. It's actually made here in Texas. Some dude makes this out of his house, straight up, one bottle at a time. I met the guy on one of those car shows a few weeks ago, and I really love the product. So let me show you how it works. Nice and shiny. If you got some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you can get notifications. Leave me a message on the bottom and let me know which aroma profiles you think 1821 should do next. This is Angel Del Solar sharing with you the Traveler Road. See you later, my friends.